Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show how to solve the problem on standard costing. So this is problem number 6. We'll look at the problem now. The standard cost to produce material or to produce a chemical X is 300 kgs of material A at rupees 10 per kg, 400 kgs of material B at rupees 5 per kg, 500 kgs of material C at rupees 3 at rupees 6 per kg. So these are the standard cost, means what is the cost that is required to produce a chemical X. Now we'll see during the period 100 tons of chemical X were produced. So during that period actually 100 tons of chemical X were produced from the usage of 35 tons of material A at rupees 9,000 per ton, 42 tons of material B at rupees 6,000 per ton. Next, 53 tons of material C at rupees 7,000 per ton. So actually to produce 100 tons of chemical X, so these are the required materials. So this was the actual cost which were incurred to produce 100 tons of chemical X. Now we'll see the problem. So what they have asked to calculate material variance. So we all know that 1 ton is equal to 1000 kgs. So this is very important to solve the problem. Now we'll make a working note here. Working note. So we want 5 columns. The first is material. Second one is kilograms. Third one is standard quantity. Fourth column is standard price and the last column is standard cost. So actually we all know that the standard quantities also they have given for material A, B and C. Now we'll see 300 kgs of material A. How many kgs? 300. 300 into actually the production was 100 tons, right? So 300 into 100. It will come to 30,000. Will come to standard quantity 30,000. The standard price is, you can see here, the standard price is 10 rupees per kg. Mention 10. The standard cost will be 3 lakhs. That is 30,000 into 10 rupees. Next, for material B 400 kgs. Same way, into 100, actually 100 tons were produced, it will come to 40,000. The standard price is 5. The standard cost will be 2 lakhs. Material C 500 kgs into 100, actually the tons were produced. Next 50,000 is the standard quantity. Standard price is 6. The standard cost is 3 lakhs. So we want total here. The total standard quantity is 1,20,000. The total standard cost is 8 lakhs. Next, the same way we want to calculate actual cost as well. Actual cost, material, kgs, actual quantity actual price, actual cost. So the actual kg was 35 tons of material A, right? So 35 into, so 1 ton is equal to 1000 kg. So for 35 tons it may be 35 into 1000, 35,000 actual quantity. Actual price is, you can look at here, 9,000 per ton. 9,000 divided by 1000, actual price per ton is 9. The actual cost is 3,15,000. For B, 42 tons into 1000, 1 ton is equal to 1000 kg. The actual quantity will be 42 into 1000, 42,000. The actual price will be 6,000 divided by 1000, that is 6 rupees. Next, actual cost is actual quantity into actual price, 42,000 into 6, 2,52,000. Next, material C, 53 tons into 1000, 53,000. The actual price is 7,000 divided by 7, that is 7 rupees. Next, the actual cost is 53,000 into 7, 3,71,000. So we want total. Total actual quantity is 1,30,000. Total actual cost is 9,38,000. So after making all this working note, we want to start our problem. First is material cost variance. Material cost variance is equal to standard cost minus actual cost. Minus actual cost. So for material A, the standard cost of material A is, you can see here, 3 lakh. Actual cost is 3,15,000. 3 lakh minus 3,15,000 is equal to, so it comes to minus 15,000, that is adverse variance. Same way for material B, the standard cost of material B is 2 lakh. Actual cost of material B is 2,52,000. 2 lakh minus 2,52,000 is equal to minus 52,000. So this is also adverse variance. For material C, standard cost of material C is 3 lakh. Actual cost is 3,71,000. That is 3 lakh minus 3,71,000. Again, this is also adverse variance. Minus 71,000 difference. Adverse variance. So total material cost variance is equal to minus 15,000 minus 52,000. Next, minus 71,000 is equal to minus 1,38,000, which is adverse variance. Understood? Next is your material price variance. Material price variance is equal to standard price minus actual price into actual quantity. So for material A, standard price of material A, so you can see here the standard price of material A is 10, actual price is 9, actual quantity is 35,000. Standard price is 10 minus actual price is 9, actual quantity is 35,000 is equal to 10 minus 9, that is 1, and into 35,000, the total is 35,000, which is favorable variance, no negative here. Next B, standard price of B is 5, actual price is 6, actual quantity is 42,000. The standard price is 5, actual price is 6, actual quantity is 42,000 is equal to 5 minus 6, that is minus 1, into 42,000 is equal to, so obviously minus 42,000, which is adverse variable, adverse variance. Next for material C, standard price of material C is 6 rupees, actual price is 7, actual quantity is 53,000. The standard price is 6, actual price is 7, actual quantity is 53,000. The difference is minus 1 into 53,000 is equal to minus 53,000, which is a adverse variance. Next, total material price variance is equal to 35,000 minus 42,000 minus 53,000 is equal to, the total is minus 60,000, which is again adverse variance. So after material price variance, we have material usage variance. Material usage variance is equal to standard price into standard quantity minus actual quantity. For material A, the standard quantity is 30,000, actual quantity is 35,000, standard price is 10. Therefore, for material A, the standard price is 10, standard quantity is 30,000 minus actual quantity is 35,000 is equal to 10 into 30 minus 35,000, that is minus 5,000. 10 into 5,000, that is minus 50,000, which is adverse variable. Next for material B is equal to, we'll see what is the standard quantity and actual quantity. For material B, standard quantity is 40,000, actual quantity is 42,000. The standard price is 5. For B, 5 into 40,000 standard quantity minus 42,000 actual quantity is equal to 5 into 40,000 minus 42,000, that is minus 2,000. 5 into 2000 is equal to minus 10,000, which is adverse variance. Next, for material C. For material C, the standard quantity is 50,000, actual quantity is 53,000, standard price is 6 rupees. That is 6 into 50,000 minus 53,000 is equal to 6 into 50 minus 53,000, 3 minus 3,000. So 6 into minus 3,000 is equal to minus 18,000, which is also a adverse variance. Therefore, total material usage variance is equal to minus 50,000 minus 10,000 minus 18,000. It will come to minus 78,000. So which is adverse variance. Next is your material mix variance. Material mix variance is equal to standard price into revised standard quantity minus actual quantity. So therefore, revised standard quantity is equal to total actual quantity divided by total standard quantity into standard quantity of each item. To find out this, for material A, the total actual quantity is 1,30,000 divided by total standard quantity is 1,20,000 into standard quantity of material A is 30,000 is equal to, the final answer is 32,500. Same way for material B, the total actual quantity will remain same divided by the total standard quantity also remains same, 1,20,000 into standard quantity of material B, that is 40,000. The final answer will be 43,333. Next, for material C, the total actual quantity remains same, 1,30,000. The total standard quantity also remains same, 1,20,000 into standard quantity of material C is 50,000. The final answer will be 54,167. Now you can solve the problem here. For material A, standard price of material A is 10. The revised standard quantity of material A is 32,500. 32,500 minus actual quantity of material A. So you can see here actual quantity of material A, 35,000. 35,000 into, so therefore 10 into 32,000 minus 35,000, that is minus 2,500. So 10 into minus 2,500 is equal to minus 25,000. So which is adverse variance. Next, for material B, the standard price of material B is 5 rupees into revised standard quantity is 43,333 minus Actual quantity is 42,000. So therefore 5 into 43,333 minus 42,000, 1,333 is a difference. So therefore 5 into 1,333, 6,665, which is favorable variance. Next, for material C, the standard price of material C is 6 rupees. Revised standard quantity is 54,167. 167 minus the actual quantity of material C is 53,000. So therefore 6 into 54,167 minus 53,000. So it will come to 1,167 is the difference. Therefore 6 into 1,167, 7,002, which is a favorable variance. So therefore total material mix variance is equal to minus 25,000 plus 6,665 plus 7,002. The total will be minus 11,333, which is adverse variance.